In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ownership of a file Google Drive, web. If you've ever created a file in Google Drive and need someone else to take full control of it, maybe a teammate is taking over a project or you're handing off long-term maintenance, transferring ownership is the right move. This process must be done on a computer in a web browser, and you can only transfer ownership to someone you've already shared the file with. That's important because the option won't appear until the person has access. Start by opening Google Drive on your computer and locating the file you want to transfer. Right-click the file and choose Share, then select Share again if prompted. This opens the sharing window where you can manage who has access. Look for the person you want to make the owner. If you don't see them listed, add them first by entering their email address and sharing the file with them. You can give them viewer or editor access temporarily. It just needs to be shared so you can proceed. Once they appear in the list of people with access, you're ready to transfer ownership. Next to their name, you'll see a small arrow or drop-down that controls their role. Click that arrow and select Transfer Ownership. This changes their role from viewer or editor to the designated new owner, but it isn't final yet. To send the handoff, click Send Invitation. Google Drive will notify the person by email and within their Drive notifications. The transfer isn't complete until the other person accepts the invitation. Until they do, you remain the owner and retain full control. After they accept, they become the owner and you'll typically become an editor. That means the new owner controls sharing settings and deletion, so make sure you're comfortable handing over those rights before you initiate the transfer. A few helpful notes to keep in mind as you go. This is for individual files, not shared drives, where ownership works differently. In some organizations, ownership transfers might be limited to people within the same domain, and certain file types or admin settings can restrict transfers. If the recipient doesn't see the invitation, ask them to check their inbox, spam folder, or their Drive notifications. That's all there is to it. Open Google Drive, share the file with the right person, use the role drop-down to select Transfer Ownership, and send the invitation for them to accept. Once they confirm, the file has a new owner.